Hi, Scott Bass here with the Surfing Heritage Vintage Surf Auction, California Gold, May 11th, 2013. And it's time for another sneak peek. We have a beautiful board here from Pacific System Homes. This board made by Meyers Butte for his son Wilson Butte, then passed on to Meyers' grandson Victor Butte, thus the red V. Now Pacific Systems Homes, they hold an important part in surfboard manufacturing history. It could be argued that they were in fact the very first surfboard manufacturer, along with the Blake and Rogers label. Now when you think about California, you think about Pacific Systems Homes, but it's important to note that Meyers Butte got on a steamliner and joined forces with Duke Kahanamoku. He would ship containers of Pacific System Homes boards to Waikiki in the Honolulu area. They're known specifically for the swastika label, which is an extremely collectible surfboard. And then of course World War II rolled around and they moved away from the swastika model, and this is a Waikiki model, which was their next model in line. This is a unique and rare piece. It's custom made for the Butte family by the Buttes. Of course, the Butte's the owner of Pacific System Homes. There are more Pacific System Homes boards out there. You will not find another board like this. This board is extremely unique, extremely rare. This is your chance to truly own California Gold.